Hi, today we are going to see how to use Strikethrough in Google Docs. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type docs.google.com. Here, a new interface will open. You can use blank or you can use the template gallery. I am using blank. Here, you have to type a word. I am typing demo for this video. After that, you have to select the word. Then click on format and click on text. Here you can see Strikethrough option. You can click on Alt plus Shift plus 5 to get shortcut Strikethrough. Click on Strikethrough. Then your text will be Strikethrough. So that's how to Strikethrough a word in Google Docs. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.